Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix please check your internet connection and try again problem on your Telegram app. So guys, if you are trying to log in or create account on your Telegram app and you are facing this problem, as you can see this, if I enter my phone number and tap on continue to register my phone number, the error or the pop-up appears on the screen. So guys, here you can see this. So guys, wait here for some seconds. Now you can see this, the pop-up appears, please check your internet connection and try again or use proxy. So guys, from here you have to simply tap on use proxy and turn on the toggle for use proxy from here. So I simply turn this on, and after this go back, and now you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply open settings in your device and scroll it below and tap on general. Again scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management and tap on VPN, and from here you have to simply connect your device with any VPN from here. And once you connect your VPN, after this you will be able to create account very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.